Here is how to fix Apex Legends Badware Detected or integrity error. So first we will need to verify the game files. We'll need to open Steam. Then right click the game in your library. For example, go to Properties and then Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once the verification process is completed, you can try to run the game as admin, or for Steam you can just run Steam as admin and then run the game. Now if it still doesn't work, you will need to uninstall the following apps if you have them. So you can right click Windows icon here, Installed Apps, and then look for any apps that have been blocked by Easy AntiCheat, such as Cheat Engine or Process Hacker or Reshade or RTSS Program or MSI Afterburner or AutoHotkey scripts, and any DLL injectors or game trainers, and also any custom keyboard or mouse macros, and as well as VMware and VirtualBox. Now make sure you uninstall all of these if you have them, and as that can block the game from running. Now after uninstalling all of those apps, you can try to run Apex Legends again, and if it still doesn't work, what you can do is uninstall the anti-cheat and then reinstall it again. So go to the C drive, Program Files, and then Easy Anti-Cheat AOS, and then remove it from here. Then go to Steam and click repair the game from here, or check for file integrity to repair the files. Now after repairing EOS or reinstalling it back again, you can close this and disable any overlays if you have them enabled, such as NVIDIA overlay, Discord, or Steam, or also MSI Afterburner. So you can simply go to settings for NVIDIA and make sure the NVIDIA overlay is disabled. And now go to Steam or other platforms where you have the game, and then you can go to settings and then in-game, and make sure enable Steam overlay while in-game is disabled. And you can close out of this, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.